Hey everyone, welcome back to Market Updates with Mad Money Murph. I, of course, am your host, Mad Money Murph, and today is Tuesday, June 28th, 2022. As always, if you get anything out of these videos, please do me a favor and push that like button and subscribe. Leave comments in the comment section. It does a lot for to help me grow. I am trying to reach 100 subscribers by November 30th, 2022. So if you could help me out with that, that'd be great. Like and subscribe, comment below. With that said, let's go ahead and get into our market updates. The crypto markets cap is down a bit from where it was over the weekend at 913 billion, still below that 1 trillion mark. At its peak, it was up over 2 trillion. Bitcoin is down 2.85% to 20,299. That's down a little bit from over the weekend. Over the weekend, the crypto market had a little bit of a spike, just a small spike. Ethereum ended up down 3.18%. And remember, these are 24-hour moving averages. Down 3.09% to $1,164. Binance Coin down 0.57 to $232. That one seems to be holding pretty well. XRP down 3.51% to 34 cents. Cardano down 2.07% to 47 cents. Solana down 5.95% to $36.42. And rounding out the top 10 with Dogecoin down 6.93% to 0.06. That one actually, there was some news over the weekend. Things were happening. And that one actually hit closer to 8 cents over the weekend. So it's down from that even. Sitting at number 14 spot, another meme coin, Shiba Inu, down 7.82% to 0.00001019. So haven't gained another zero, so that's a good thing. So that's it for the crypto market. I have stopped giving the update for the ape coin, and nobody seems to really be all that interested in that. So I'll just continue with the top 10, and then Shiba, just because it's such a popular meme coin, and I'm not going to worry anymore about the top gainers. Those don't really mean much anyways at this point. Let's move over to the stock market. After a decent day last Friday, they gave back most of their gains. Today, the Dow Jones was down 491 points to 30,946. The S&P 500 was down 78.5 points to 3,821. And the NASDAQ was down 343 points to 11,181. Of course, the big tech stocks, Apple down 2.9%, Google down 3.3%, which is Alphabet, Microsoft down 3.17%, Amazon down 5.14%, Meta down 5.2%, and Tesla down 5%. So all the major stocks are down. NEO, which is one I'll just add in there because I did invest in that one stock here a while back, and I bought it pretty much at a high. NEO it had a little bit of a run in the last couple of weeks, but it is down 2.6%, and unfortunately, they've got some issues and some problems. One of the headlines for today, we believe NEO plays Valiant-esque accounting games to inflate revenue and boost net income margins. Ouch. We all know that the Chinese actually, American companies play accounting games as well, and the Chinese, they're just known for lying about a lot of things. So they're just a big competitor of Tesla, and I missed the boat on Tesla. So, as being the next best competitor, what I thought was the next best competitor, Neo, that's why I put money into it. But unfortunately, they're having some issues, and I did read another headline, or not headline, but another story today that two people just died in a Neo car. I guess it drove off of a third floor parking structure and hit the ground and killed one of Neo's employees, and apparently the passenger was one of their partner company's employees. So that's not good. So on to a couple other headlines here. This one I found to be a little bit odd. Yahoo Finance, $3 trillion in extra savings may push the Fed rate hikes too far. So basically what they're saying is because the Fed thinks that there's so much of this extra savings that they'll continue to raise rates too far. But one thing to keep in mind, a headline's a headline, right? It's there to catch your attention. There's more to the story with that. They're not. Whoever did this research is not, or excuse me, whoever did this research included both household and corporate savings. I don't think that means much at all. I think that if you watch my channel or any other financial channel for even the last few years, corporate savings has been going up considerably. And what they've been doing is buying back their stock to boost their stock prices. So I don't think that there's any correlation between the corporate savings and the average household savings. Now, of course, we all know average household savings over COVID went up. There was, less to spend money on, and everybody, well, not everybody, but many people were getting stimulus, either checks for themselves or through PPP for business owners, things like that. So, not really that good of a headline, but I wanted to mention it because this is the kind of crap that's out there that people buy into. The next one down was a little bit funny. The CEO of a $68 billion investment firm suddenly quits, says he's going to sit on the beach and do nothing. Well, good for him. Go for it, man. CNN 4 hours ago, crypto winter has had a chilling effect on Coinbase and Robinhood. Yeah, sure. I mean, they're publicly traded companies. They've had their issues, right? And they will have their issues as the markets go up and down, and crypto markets have been battered hard. So Coinbase, I believe, is down 75% from its high. Robinhood, I believe, is down 50% from its high. And some people are saying that they might be good acquisitions for FTX, which FTX I'm starting to learn more about. I didn't realize it was a still privately held exchange, and I believe you can trade stocks, crypto, and some other things on that exchange. So that's pretty cool. That's great. That's the one, I believe it's headed up by Sam Bankman-Fried. Seems like a pretty good dude. He's out there trying to help the crypto community. Is very wealthy, and I'm totally all about that, right? Anything you can do. I believe that crypto is the future, and we're getting a shakeout, right? Just like the 2000 .com era, we're gonna have a shakeout. They had a shakeout then. We're gonna have a shakeout now. There are going to be some that are cryptos that are lost, some that continue to gain. So, yeah, good luck to Coinbase and Robinhood. I have about third of my portfolio at Coinbase, if not a little bit more, probably half of my crypto portfolio at Coinbase, and the other half at Voyager. And there too, I still believe in them. Robinhood, on the other hand, when they had that big debacle last year, I lost a lot of trust. Do have a bit of Dogecoin there. So anyways, moving on. I digress. Flight delays, and I'm only saying this one because we've talked about this in this channel before. Flight delays and cancellations stress travelers as July 4th nears. What's new? I've said it before, it's going to get worse before it gets better. There's a lot going on within that industry. Fuel is one of them, but employment is another as well. So, yeah. What's new? Here, last headline for the day. I sorry, I got quiet because I was looking at this headline. I didn't see it before. Facebook groups are being revamped to look like Discord. It really cracks me up that this one. I don't do anything on Discord. It's kind of beyond me. But what cracks me up is, just like Snapchat comes out and Facebook is trying to, Facebook goes and tries to mirror Snapchat, and now Discord starts to get popular and Facebook tries to emulate them. I get it. You need to make changes, but they're a big enough company. They should be able to be out in front of that stuff. So, anyways, I think it's quite interesting that they're doing that. Let's move on. Gold prices were down on the day, $2.60 to end the day at $1,821.40. And silver was down 33 cents on the day to $20.85. And last but not least, I do like to give a quick shout out to crude oil. By the way, I'm giving you the update on WTI crude, which I believe is the one that is most popular. I believe that and Brent, but I give the WTI crude oil per barrel. It is up $2.27 to $111.84. Again, I like to give that update just for you to know it's not going to affect gas prices whatsoever, right away, right? It takes it takes a lot of time for these things to affect the stock market, or excuse me, the oil market, gas you pay at the pump. So anyways, with that said, I've talked too much, I've rambled on too much. Thank you again for watching. I very much appreciate it. I do have a new video coming tomorrow, Wednesday, the 29th, part of my series about financial freedom. So be sure to check that out tomorrow. I will be back tomorrow again for another market update, but be sure to check for that other video that's going to be coming out tomorrow. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave your comments below. Thanks again. Appreciate you and look forward to continuing to do this. Take care. Have a good day.